how to use a song even if you don't yet have the music feature. At the time of creating this video, Reels is still relatively new, and so what I'm seeing is not all accounts have the music feature. But there is one little hack that my student Joyce tried, and she said it worked for her, and this is what it is. So here I am inside of one of my accounts, and if I hit the plus button and then Reel and tap audio, I can see that it says Instagram music is not available for some accounts. So if you're seeing a message like this, here is my suggested workaround. What you can do is go to the Discover tab and then look up Reels and swipe through and find a song that you like. Okay, so here's Travis Scott, Stargazing. So when you find another reel that's using music or audio, what you can do is tap the title of that song, and then you're going to see the button Use Audio. If you tap that button, you may get the option to use that music in your reel. Here I am on another songs page that I found. So when I tap Use Audio, now I can see that that audio is actually loaded up into this reel. So this works for some accounts. It might not work for all accounts. And if this is the case for you and you're trying to bring in a song from another reel and it's just not loading, what you can do is actually create a reel with music in a separate app. I'm going to cover that next.